teacher, my name is Emmanuel Rodriguez, student of Janaganamana Vidya Mandir, State Board Class 6. Today I am going to show you my science project Light Security Alarm. Security is main concern for various buildings, houses and offices. For this purpose, there are a variety of security alarms available in market which uses various types of technology for intruder detection like infrared sensors, motion sensors, ultrasonic sensors, laser sensors, etc. In India, 4,044 thefts occur daily. There are 4 phases in my project. First one is the C919 board circuit. Second one is the BC547 transistor. Third one is the Arduino chip. And fourth one is the flashlight. Let's head to the first phase, which is the C919 board circuit. This is the diagram for the C919 board circuit. So as you can see, here is a 38 volt battery. This is a 25 volt battery, and this is a 25 volt battery to power the whole circuit. And this is a 12 volt relay. Relay works to connect 4 wires at a time, and it will power all the 4 wires at the same time. And this is the start button for powering the whole circuit. You can see in this diagram, this is the 25 volt main battery, 38 volt battery, and one more 25 volt battery. This is a reamer, 3 10k OHM resistors. This is a 12 volt relay. Let's head to the second phase, which is the BC547 transistor circuit. So as you can see in this diagram, this is the BC547 transistor. This is a 10k OHM resistor. This is the buzzer, 9 volt battery connector. LDR means light dependent resistor or register. And this is the third phase, means Arduino. This Arduino chip is powered by coding, and it will be powered using the C919 board. So I will show you the coding for this Arduino chip. This is the coding for Arduino chip. And now this is the fourth phase, which is the flashlight. It is a rechargeable flashlight, which is very powerful. We have to assemble the Arduino chip using the 3 ports and 1 extra port. So to assemble, we need a long USB cable, a short USB cable, a rechargeable torch, and this Arduino chip. Let's start assembling. First we have to take this long USB cable and attach it to the first Arduino's port. After attaching this over here, we have to take the short USB cable and attach it at the last. And in the middle, you have to attach this wire, which is connected in the C919 board. These are the 2 10k OHM resistors. You can see these. Which this 38 volt battery powers the C919 board to power the Arduino chip. So let's connect this over here in the middle. And now this one also is connected. So in the C919 board, we have to put on the main switch. So I have put on the main switch. And now it will take 2 to 3 minutes to get it activated and supply the power to the Arduino chip. So now 2-3 minutes have passed and the Arduino chip is activated, and this long USB cable has an end which we have to put it in here, and now the whole circuit gets connected. Now this is the small USB cable which we have to connect over here, and it is connected. So over here we have to attach the torch facing to the LDR. So let's adjust it. And now it is properly adjusted facing to the LDR. There is a small switch to the Arduino chip. As we will press the button, the whole Arduino system will be activated. So let's press this button. The whole circuit is activated and we have to wait more 2 to 3 minutes to get whole the circuit activated. The Arduino chip has been activated and we will fix the battery over here to the BC547 transistor. So as you can see, as I connect the battery to the connector, the alarm starts beeping, and to avoid that ringing, to stop that ringing, first we will connect this over here. And now I have started the flashlight. So you can see how it is working. You may be thinking that what is the use of this Arduino chip and this whole C919 board when the flashlight can stop the beeping. So the Arduino and the C919 board works in this as a Wi-Fi connection, wireless connection. So even if the BC547 transistor circuit is kept at a long distance and the C919 board and the Arduino chip is kept at a long distance of 5 meters or 250 meters, this connection will still work. Instead of flashlight, if you are keeping it a 5 meter of distance, you have to use a laser light. So now I will show you the demo. If any obstacle comes between the connection of LDR and the light, the Arduino will catch a signal to the C919 board and the connection will go to the BC547 transistor, which is a wireless connection, and the alarm will start beeping. So I will show you. So I will put this obstacle in between and now it will start beeping. So as you can see, I put this obstacle in between of the LDR and the torch and the alarm starts beeping. So if you have pointed the laser light to the LDR, if any thief will come between it, the thief cannot understand that there is a laser light and such a big connection, and the thief will be caught. Instead, for big noise, you can use a big buzzer or a cycle horn. So now again I am going to show you the diagrams. This is the first diagram of the C919 board, and this is a pen drive chip. And now the second diagram, which is the BC547 transistor circuit, and this is the coding. If you need this, you can take a screenshot of this. Hope you liked my project. Thanks for watching.